welcome back to another Advent Calendar unboxing with Nessa. I am bringing to you the new NYX Love, Lust, and Disco Greatest Hits Lip Advent Calendar. Now, let this not be confused for the full makeup Advent Calendar like I was. I ordered this online, it was $60. I thought it was the full-on Advent Calendar with makeup, lips, and some other things inside of it, but this is the only lip product calendar. So nothing but lips inside of this calendar. I got it and I was very confused. I was like, this isn't what I ordered, and it turns out it was. So just be aware of that. So you're not taken by surprise if you order off Ulta's website. Like I said though, this calendar is $60, but with Ulta you can always use a coupon. You guys know I did. I used a 20% off coupon code, made it a little bit sweeter. So I scored this bad boy for just $48. So if you can find a coupon code, use it. Because this says that it also has a value inside the box of just $75. I didn't read that until I got the package. Again, I didn't really look that much into it. I just ordered. I was like, oh, I'll take it. Not the greatest value. I mean, we've seen now the Glossybox and the Look Fantastic give us 5-fold in the value. So, NYX, you might want to step it up there. Value slacking a little bit here. I think we've been spoiled with the good stuff, so now I'm just like, yeah, your value's not up to par. Anyway, this is the calendar. Ooh, so pretty. There are 24 days inside of it. So let's just go ahead and get into day number 1. Let's do this. And you guys know what this means. Try on! With a calendar full of lips, we got to try them on. All right, day number 1. Can you guys even see this? There you go. Where are you, number 1? Number 1, number 1. Oh, does it go in order? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Most calendars, they have them kind of staggered, so you have to look for them. This one, it goes just down the line like this by each day. So here we go. Day number 1. Day number 1, it looks like we got ourselves a butter gloss. This is definitely in a deluxe form, and it is in the shade Tiramisu. Just to verify, this is definitely a deluxe size. A full size has 8 ml of product. This has 4.7, so it's, you know, just about half of the product, I would say. And a butter gloss is $5. So let's swatch this guy out. Oh, you know what? I was swatching it on my hand, but let's see if we can make this happen. I'm gonna try to swatch out all of the colors on my arm so we can see them all together at the end. We can see them lined up. Here we have the first swatch. So let's wipe away the lip color I got on and try this baby on. Let's try this butter gloss on. So here we have Tiramisu on the lips and swatched out once more. Butter gloss formula. Love the smell of that butter gloss. It smells super sweet. Let's move on to day number 2 now. Looking a little vampy now. We got ourselves a new formula. This is the NYX Liquid Suede in Cherry Skies. Have not tried this color of the liquid suede before, so this will be interesting. Ooh. Love that color. Again, deluxe size. I'm pretty sure all of the lipsticks are gonna be of this size. So far, so good. Here's the second color, Cherry Skies. Woo! I love this color. Super vampy, very pretty. Dries down since it is of the liquid suede formula. But here you go, both lip swatch and regular swatch. These doors are kind of tough. We now have ourselves a matte lipstick formula. This one is in the shade Alabama. There she is, third shade, looking a little bit more like a brick red in my opinion. The more lip swatches of these that I do, the crappier my lip line is gonna be, so just prepare yourself, I'm already ready. It's already getting bad. But here's the matte lipstick in Alabama. Fourth up. Looks like we're going down the line of all the possibilities that we're getting inside of here, because now we got a soft matte lip cream. Fourth down, looking very rosy and pink. Here we go, lip swatch, regular swatch on. pretty shade, not necessarily my personal favorite. It's a little bit too vibrant pink for my personal taste, but still a very pretty shade. You know, just personal preference there. On to day number 5 now. Ooh. This is one I'm excited to try because I've not even heard of this formula that they had. It's the hashtag This Is Everything in the shade Sheer. Oh, it's a gloss. I see. Exactly what the name is what it is. It's a sheer gloss. So the lips are getting a little bit stained right now. So it might be hard to tell with this color, but I mean, it's just a clearer gloss, so not really too much to see with it anyway. Here we have it, sheer. Ooh, man, my lips are gonna be on fire after this. 24 lip swatches. Day number 6, let's do this. Moving down the list now of the formulas we can get. So this is the Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the shade Monte Carlo. Looks like it's gonna be a very pink and metallic shade. Okay, so what's kind of nice about this metallic is that it isn't as metallic-y as you would expect. You can definitely see it on the lips when you're up close and personal, but from afar it doesn't look like it. You are sparkling from your lips, which I think is a good thing because, I mean, metallics were a thing like a year ago. Everybody was getting them, everybody was making them, and you know, that phase ended very fast. I have a few metallics that I never wear, so I can definitely appreciate that this is not one of those like bam in your face metallics, at least for this specific shade. Day number 7, moving down the list. Whoop, I'm gonna break a nail doing this. These doors are tough. Ooh, looking like we're back to the butter gloss. Oh yeah, we are. We got ourselves another butter gloss, this time in Madeline. All right, let's do this. Butter glosses just smell so good. I love the sweet scents. If you hate sweet scents, you're gonna hate it. If you love them, you're gonna love it. Here she is. This color is definitely right up my alley. I love a nudie kind of gloss color. Day number 8. Okay, so I think it's following the same pattern because now again we got a liquid suede formula, which is the same as before. The butter gloss was followed by suede, so I think it's gonna go in the same order. And this one is in the shade Soft Spoken. The one on the end is wearing off. I'll reapply that towards the end so that way we can see it all together, but I keep reapplying it each time and it's just getting so sticky. Here's, whoop. Again, another shade I really enjoy. I like this color. It looks a little glossy now, but it is gonna dry down since it's of the suede formula. Just needs a second. Ooh, new row, number 9. Yep, definitely following the same order because now we got, again, another matte lipstick. This one's in the shade Natural. Oh yeah, I can see that. That's a very natural, light pinky rose shade. Okay, now this is a pink that I would actually see myself wearing. It's not too in your face, it's just the right amount of pink, I feel. Okay, so up next, number 10. Looking like we got ourselves another soft matte lip cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. My goodness, I think I need to put some concealer on my hand. And that's just what I'm gonna do. It looks so rosy, I need to tone it down. Oh yeah, another color that is right up my alley. All right, so now we're looking at number 11. Here we go, another soft matte metallic lip cream. Let's see how this does. In the shade Copenhagen. Looks like a vampy metallic, I'd say. Woohoo, that lip line. So here we go. Whoops, I forgot to put one on the back of my hand. Look at me, loving in and I'm getting sloppy. Boom, ready. All right, so here we go. The metallic lip cream, dried down. And again, it doesn't look as metallic as I kind of expect metallics to look, which I can appreciate. even in person, it's really not that shiny. You can see a little bit of a shimmer when you twist your head in the light, but it's nothing that is too overwhelming, which again, I think is kind of the downfall of the metallic, because I feel like not many people want to wear very shimmery lip products, you know? All right, what are we on, number 12 now? Let's check it out. Oh man, we're almost halfway now, I think. We are now back to the Butter Gloss formula. And we now have the shade Angel Food Cake. And that's what this one looks like. 13, let's rock and roll. Oh man, I wanted to take everything. What kind of cardboard are they using? Gonna break my nail. Ooh, this is one of my personal favorites. Again, a liquid suede formula in the shade Sandstorm. I actually had to declutter my Sandstorm because I've had it for years and years and years, and it was just a very old formula, so now I got a new one. Yay! Already know I love this one. Man, I used to wear this lip color so much. Pretty sure I wore it in almost all of my first videos. This was my jam right here. Ah, and I still love it. Brings back memories. On to number 14. Looking like a matte lipstick formula in the shade Perfect Red, or as I like to call it, the classic Christmas red. This is is it really Christmas if you don't wear a red lipstick? Number 15. Ooh, interesting color. Got ourselves a new soft matte lip cream in the shade Monte Carlo. I swatched it next to that one because I wanted to see the difference between the two since they were so similar in the red, but this one looks a little bit more berry red. And yes, I know what you're thinking. Wasn't there already a shade called Monte Carlo? Yes, you are 100% correct. It was the metallic pink shade up here. I don't know why they reused a name. Did they run out of names? Interesting color. It goes on looking very sheer almost. Number 16, over on the end here. And now we have reached the end and are about to start over once more because this is the soft matte metallic lip cream. Moving over to a new row here. This is the shade Canes. I don't know, I may be crazy. Possibly, but I feel like since this shade is a little bit lighter, you can see the shimmer a little bit more, at least in person. I don't know about on camera, but in person, I feel like the shimmer is a little bit more noticeable since the color is a little lighter than the other guys. I know, it just looks a little bit more reflective. Ooh, yeah, looking like the last row now, number 17. Once more, starting the new round with a butter gloss. By the time I try to remove all this, my arm is gonna be so stained. But now we got the butter gloss in the shade Praline. Another good looking gloss, I think. Oh man, I'm so happy we're getting to the end here. My lips are dying. 18, let's get this going. Liquid suede formula coming at ya. In the shade Tea and Cookies. Okay, Tea and Cookies. I would wear this one with a little bit of a darker outline and just tap this one on into the center. Could be really cute. 19. Again, a matte lipstick formula. Pretty sure the last one. Shade name, Whipped Caviar. This is a cute shade. Moving right along to 20. Again, the last soft matte lip cream formula. Okay, so I just realized why there's repeat names, because this is the same thing. It's the shade Canes, which was repeating from earlier with a metallic lip cream, so they have the same color, but yet it's in a metallic and a soft matte cream formula. So that makes sense. And here she be. 21 now, the French fries. Again in the soft matte metallic formula. This time we have Milan. Yeah, not sure what it is, but I think it's the lighter pink tone shades that look way more metallic than the other guys. Because this one looks very shimmery, metallic-y looking on the lips. Not necessarily my favorite. 22. They're switching it up on us now here at the end because instead of a butter gloss, we got a liquid suede. Again, 99% sure this shade I had and had to declutter because it was just that old, but I remember really enjoying that one. Man, my lips are raw. I feel like there is no more concealing these lips, that they are permanently stained a red pink. Looking like another Christmassy red. Ooh, 23. Look at me being wrong about which ones were the last formulas. We got another matte lipstick in Siren. Oh, that's cute. And somehow I managed to already lose the cap for this one. How does that happen? Woo, man. Oh, you got to see my dot there in the corner. Last one, you guys. 24. What do we got? The very last shade and formula is a soft matte lip cream. Let me also re-add the first gloss up here since it kept rubbing off up here. And the last shade name is Rome. So I'm sorry these got a little bit wonky up here, but they kept rubbing on my shirt and getting smudged out. But these are all of the shades that come inside of the calendar. Oh man, it feels good to have this be the last one. My lips are dying, but that's the shade Rome. And here are all of these swatches. Ah, my arm looks so pretty. So one missing cap here, but we got 5 of the matte lipsticks, 5 liquid suedes, 5 soft matte lip creams, 4 butter glosses, along with another 4 metallic matte lip creams, and then of course just the one This Is Everything. I like that they didn't give you a full 5 of the metallic colors. Now, I have a little bit of mixed feelings about this calendar. I like the color scheme, I like the variety, but with it being of only this deluxe size, you know, I wish the price point would have been a little bit lower. For $60 and only a $75 value, I think that there are a lot of other calendars out there that have better values. I mean, they're doing full-size items with some outrageous price tags on it, and they're still marketing those calendars, I think, pretty fairly for those. And this one, I wish they would have brought down the price point a little bit to about 30 bucks, maybe 35. I feel like that's where I would be a little bit more comfortable with it. For 60 bucks, I'm just kind of, That being said though, I have always seen the NYX lip collections that they do every holiday season. Those always go on sale at the end of the holiday season. So if you are dead set on getting this, I would wait until after the holidays and snag it for a really good deal of about 30 bucks, because usually after Christmas it's like half price on everything. So if you're willing to hold out for it, then I think that's a really good time to get it. So that is now it. My lips are dying. I'm ready to go to sleep because it's 11:58 at night. Oh man, and I'm still probably gonna sit in bed and edit. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!